Fresh corn! Sweet corn!
Mama, please stop coughing.
My daughter, before we can start any major treatment, the hospital needs a deposit of 200,000 naira. Without it, there is not much we can do.
Dr. Biko, I don't get that money. My mama, they die. Help us.
I'm sorry. These are the hospital rules.
Doctor, I try. I beg people. I sell small things. I fit only get 20,000 naira. Please help my mama start something. Don't let her.
My daughter, this is not enough for the treatment she needs. We have asked for 200 little we can do.
Without it, breathing, keep do anything good that because of you.
I'm sorry.
Amaka, listen to Picking Well. Life go show you many roads. Promise me of good life. No bad way, no shortcut. You name the one you get for this world.
I'm gonna find stuff. You know one hear this kind talk.
My daughter, Mama, please, if...
My daughter, I'm so sorry. Your mother didn't make it.
No. Doctor, please. She was talking to me. She was breathing. Mama! Mama! Mama, please don't leave me!
Amaka!
My mama, where I go start from now?
Few months gone, and Amaka is still wondering why life chose to be unfair to her. With her mother gone, and the landlord demanding rent, survival has become her only prayer.
Amaka, life no dey pity anybody. If you want survive, you got to follow who know road.
And just like that, Chioma succeeded. Amaka had stepped into what she called Sabi Babes, a world she never imagined. That night, Amaka stepped fully into Chioma's world, a world of lights, liquor, and dangerous men who never take no for an answer. And that night, Chioma finally led Amaka into the world of Sabibs, a world where innocence fades, where bright lights hide dark secrets, and survival demands a price she never imagined. After a few years, Amaka rose into life of pure affluence. Private jets, luxury cars, powerful men. She was no longer the village girl. She was living her full Lagos life. From Lagos streets to Lagos Island, Amaka is now living the life many only dream of. Money, luxury, fame. She had become the queen of her own world. After a few years, Amaka had become a different woman. Lagos changed her. The life she once feared became the life she now lived fully. From Lagos Island to the world, Amaka had risen into a life of pure luxury, private jets, powerful men. She was no longer chasing the life was chasing her.